Mabuhay! If you happen to be new here, I'm Melanie. I'm glad to have you here, and I'm here to inspire myself so that I can inspire you and I can inspire others. Hello everyone. So this is my part 2, cleaning and organizing and minimalizing. So we are here in my daughter's room. This is her room. It needs a massive cleaning and organizing tips, and yeah, hopefully she can continue cleaning it after I help her organize it today. So we're gonna use Marie Kondo way or method to clean up and minimalize her stuff so that she won't have a hard time to clean it up after. So here is her closet too. That's my that's Luna's closet. Opening it. It's Luna's closet. Yes, it needs to be organized, and I will take out everything that we don't need, that she doesn't fit, and we will either donate it or give it to a friend that in need of these clothes. So yeah, I'll see you later. You say hi, Yuki. Hi. So that's her closet, and we will pull out everything. So take out everything, including the hangers, Yuki. So put it on your bed. Okay. Put it on your bed. It's better to teach your child earlier in their age to organize and give them the responsibility on how to clean up their own room, so that they will bring it when they get older, that life skill that you taught them, because they won't learn this in school. They will learn it from parents and from home. So I hope this will inspire you to teach your child to clean up their room and organize and minimalize. So minimalizing is not just reducing stuff in your house, but also they're learning how to value things other than just buying every time, and helping the environment too, the Mother Earth. So this has been our way of helping the Mother Earth, so that our next generation will be able to see how beautiful is our Earth. Yes. I'm gonna help her now. Actually, this is not the first time that we clean up her room. We always clean it up, but unfortunately she can't keep it clean. So hopefully this is the last time that I'm gonna teach her how to organize. Hopefully she will keep it clean. If not, I will be sad. But of course we don't stop teaching them. And yeah, so let's go. Go. Oh my gosh. Look at her table. I wanna cry. She has a really nice table, but look. Oh my gosh. I'm not trying to embarrass her, but I'm just showing how. Oh, this one is a bit organized. This is her closet for her clothes. She has another one. I'm not embarrassing her. I just want her to learn, and it's her idea to film this room, include it for my film. So just to clarify that. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna teach her the Marie Kondo way. So get one dress or any clothes that you have, get one, and then feel it if there is spark still, if you want to keep it, or if you want to still use it, or if not, put it on the side for donation, or put it on the side for upcycling it, if we can still do some DIY for it. But you have to hug it and feel the clothes if there's still spark. That's how you do Marie Kondo way. If there's no spark, put it on donation, or if you still want to use it, set it aside to hang it and put on a hanger. That's how we're gonna do it. Okay, now you can start. Do you still like that? Hang it. Almost done with her clothes. This I'm doing helping her take out everything that she has in her backpack. Look at it, it's still there. I have to wash it. So this is what we gather on the floor. My goodness. I don't know how she accumulates these things. I don't know. Yes. We're halfway there. We're gonna be back. Right, Yuki? these are her box collections. So this storage, I use it for her books and stuff that she want put there for easy access. Look at her, she's so happy. This is the final look for her closet. So I put a lot of storage that she can use. I hang that yellow one for her hats, undies, and belts. So these are her buckets for the things that she wanna see, but at the same time they have, call it home. So I made sure that all of the things that she have here in her room has a home, so that she knows where to put everything. Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the button to get bell notifications.
Thank you.
Bye.